Today marks 219 days for you and I, if you can believe it. You are my entire world.
Really?
What spins around every single day. I love you more than anything in this entire world. You make me the happiest man alive. You are my light, you are my moon, you are my stars, and I feel like I was meant to be on this earth to find you. And it would be an honor if you would marry me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes.
Yes.
Took a long time to find what I was looking for, but when it did, it all fit together. It took a long time to see what was in front of me.